always say I don't know every time. Of course, it's okay to say I don't know, but it sounds very boring. So I want you to learn a few expressions. So let's get started. Number one is I don't have a clue or I am clueless. This phrase emphasizes a complete lack of knowledge. I don't have a clue what to give my mother on her birthday. I don't have a clue what to give my mother on her birthday. Number two, it beats me. It's an informal expression that you can use when you can't provide any answer. For an example, you can say, it beats me how she got this promotion. It beats me how she got this promotion. Next, your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. Use this expression when you have no idea what the answer is to a problem or a question. Your guess is as good as mine. I have no idea if it is going to rain. Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. I have no idea if it is going to rain. Number 4. Don't ask me. Use this expression to show that you are not the right person to ask for information. Number 5. I am drawing a blank. I am drawing a blank. This expression indicates that you are unable to recall or think of an answer. I drew a blank when I tried to remember his name. I drew a blank when I tried to remember his name. So guys, these were some other ways to say I don't know. I hope guys you would start using these phrases in your conversations to sound like a native speaker. You can check our playlist to watch more videos to improve your English speaking skills. If you really find something new to learn in this video, please hit the like button, share this video, and yes, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.